I got video of you take pictures of him. Alright?
Alright, look at this big one. Oh, shit.
Holy
I got
shit.
it. Shit. Holy moly. That's what I want. That's
Holy
the
moly.
way.
What's that?
Alright.
Start walking in this way.
Let's get out of the way.
Walk that way with it.
Is that a fucking...
You probably going that way.
I got it.
Holy Nestor.
Now you're free to go, my friend.
Come here, Sharky. One more time. Awesome. You don't want to put your hand in the water.
I'd like to get some underwater video, man.
Do it. Put it down. Just put it in. If he takes your hand, we'll have video of it.
If you can find the camera. That's the key question. Where is the camera? We know where May's hand is now. Attached to his body. Oh. Okay, drop him. I think we're good. There you go, that's good. Don't go any higher than that. Lower the rod some. There you go. Perfect. Alright, let it go. Look at this one shark coming in so fast.
Yeah, I know. You'd be surprised how many I see from up here.
Is that right?
Yeah, there's 2 over there, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the line, 7, 8. There's at least 8 or 9 sharks.
Alright, man, you ready? Alright. Careful.
There you go. Bye-bye, Sharky Shark. All right, Mark. Awesome.
No. Oh. Hold on, dude.
You got him good, Mark. Let me see if I can get Mark in the same frame as this. Let me get out of the picture. See if Mark, go to the front of the boat. See if we can get you with the shark.
Yeah, I got him.
All right, yeah.
Oh, that's a good shot with the mouth right
Yeah. That's your Jaws moment. Pet him.
Alright, you let me know when you guys are ready.
I'm ready.
Alright, so